Reproduction is the ability of organisms to produce new individuals of the same kind. It helps to increase the population, avoid extinction of the species, and to maintain the progeny. Sensitivity is the ability of living organisms to detect changes in the environment, both internal and external. For example, Mimosa pudica. When we touch the plant, the leaflets close immediately, exhibiting sensitivity. Living organisms show growth from within using food that they obtain from nutrition. The cells grow in number and new cells are made. For example, a child growing into an adult, a seedling growing into a tree. All living organisms require energy for various activities. This energy is released by the oxidation of food during the process of respiration. Excretion is the removal of waste products of metabolism formed during various chemical reactions within the cells. The main excretory organs are the kidneys, lungs, and skin. Urea, uric acid, and excessive water are excreted as urine by the urinary system. All living organisms need food to be used as a source of energy for various activities. Animals and plants feed in different ways. Plants can manufacture their own food, while animals cannot prepare their own food and are dependent on other organisms. HIV or human immunodeficiency virus contains RNA. They have no cell membrane and no cytoplasm. They cannot feed, respire, move, excrete, grow, or reproduce unless they are inside a living cell. HIV causes AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. HIV destroys the body's immune system that protects the person against infection. Bacteria are unicellular with a cell wall, plasma membrane, and cytoplasm. They have a cell wall made up of a chemical called murine. They contain a single circular chromosome in the cytoplasm. They do not have a well-defined nucleus. They contain ribosomes. Slime layer and flagellum are sometimes present in them. Blood is a transporting medium in man. It is a connective tissue where three types of blood cells, RBC, WBC, and blood platelets, float in a liquid matrix called plasma. There are three types of muscles in the human body: striated muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Striated muscles are also called skeletal muscles as they are attached to the bones. Striated muscle fiber exhibits dark and light bands. There are a few nuclei scattered in the muscle fiber. These muscles are under the control of the brain. Hence, they are also called voluntary muscles. These muscles help in moving the bones. Muscular system comprises striated, smooth, and cardiac muscles. Striated muscles form the bulk of the muscular system. The striated muscles contract and relax, moving the bones to bring about various body movements and locomotion. These muscles are voluntary as they are under our control. Smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are involuntary muscles. The circulatory system consists of the heart, blood vessels, and the blood flowing inside these tubes. The heart is a four-chambered organ pumping blood through the blood vessels. Blood vessels are of three types, namely arteries, veins, and capillaries. Blood is a connective tissue in which three types of blood cells are seen. These are RBCs, WBCs, and blood platelets. The skeletal system is made up of 206 bones, articulated to form a rigid structure. It gives framework to the body and offers protection to the inner delicate organs and provides space for attachment of muscles. The bones are articulated in a manner so as to form various joints. Two distinct parts of the skeletal system are the axial skeleton, comprising the skull and the vertebral column, and the appendicular skeleton consisting of the girdles and the limb bones.